Makes it a fully retractable level 3 utility. Safety knives are a little bit different than just your typical utility cutters. We put knives in 5 different levels based on the safety built into those knives. Level 5 being unsafe, and level 1 being the safest, and so it flows that direction. So a level 5 knife would be anything with a manually retractable blade or a fixed blade. That's where you push the blade out with your thumb, it stays out until you physically pull your model employee right here. He's got a hard hat on, steel-toed shoes, cut-resistant gloves, eye protection, ear protection, and then they'll have a level 5 knife in their hand, the most dangerous. The level 4 are what we call semi-retractable. Again, they retract, but they rely on the user to remove their thumb from the button. People just kept their thumb on the button, or they figure out real quickly, if I just wrap duct tape around it one time, it's now a fixed blade knife. We still need something safer. In level 3 is they're fully retractable. Even if I keep my thumb on the slider the entire time, every time I lose contact, the blade will retract. And you have to re-engage it. There's no way for the end user to override the safety feature. If they were to wrap duct tape around this to try to keep the blade exposed, they'd make one cut and realize, now I have to take the duct tape off and start all over. Some places want even safer. We don't want exposed blades at all. They can use what we call a level 2 knife, and those are concealed blade cutters. They're even safer than the level 3 for the simple fact that there is a blade on these knives, but it's always housed up inside of a very small opening that you can't get any body parts near. The blade is up inside of that little hook. Starting right in the middle of a box and cut. You know, people say, well, I cut a picking window. It's very easy to do, and there's no exposure to a blade. Level 1 are very specialized tools. Level 1 knives would be bladeless cutters. Level 5 being the fixed blade or manually retractable. Level 4 are the spring-loaded knives that you have to remove your thumb. Level 3 are the spring-loaded knives that will retract every time regardless of hand position. Level 2 is the concealed blade where you can't get body parts near the blade at all. And then level 1 is anything that we consider a bladeless cutter. We have a plastic bladed scraper. Places who are scraping adhesives or paint or anything of that nature using a steel blade can be very dangerous.
I'm joined by Paul Detennis with Martor. Paul, if a customer of WESCO would like to go through knife safety training, how can they do that?
The easiest way is to just contact your local WESCO rep. They then can contact us, and we will gladly come into any facility with them and provide all of the knowledge and training on safety knives that we have on your products.
Awesome. Paul, thank you.
Thank you.